Since my dad is the only one doing the dado style, but if we drilled into this 2 holes and made some lighter colored plugs.
I will drill a round hole, the hardwood peg square into the round hole. That's what the Amish would do.
We can all really work together and work on the frame and the welding and all that.
The class here has been very good because that area of the metal that's in the base.
Carriage bolt's gonna go right through there and hold that on. So it's a real neat look. And then I'm gonna use these heavy lags and that's gonna hold these ends on right here. Look at these things, they're shiny and gaudy and yikes. And we need to make these look like that. Gluing compound, it's called super glue. Now watch this, watch the magic, watch the magic. Hey, watch the magic. Oh man, look at that. Instant. Boom. I'm probably gonna regret this, but
And just do a funky copper run right there.
you know you should have showed me that. We're gonna massage this down into these grains like this. This one squeezes, that squeeze?
On this end, yeah.